all, I know there is a lots of scam in this happening, but every person is not the same. There is having a genuine person also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
We are just verifying this account will be working or not. When you complete the transaction, check in your WhatsApp. I will share my employer ID card. My name is Aman Bhatnagar. Have you received?
Yeah, sir, I received.
Don't be worry. After complete the payment, money will be auto refunding right now.
Before I paid the amount, I will ask my father permission.
Sorry for that, dear. It is required right now. I already share my employer ID card. It's up to you. I'm not waiting for your approval. For the 2,000 rupees, we can't destroy my company reputation.
Yeah, sir. But
Yeah.
2,000 also I validated.
Yaar, listen to me. Money is not debited. This is the dummy QR code. When you submit the payment will be going failed. You scan the QR code, na?
Yes, sir.